Cookie can't make me the dope. Cookie can't come with the throat. Puff, puff, pass. No, you do not want to smoke. Bitches be sleeping on me, but be claiming they won't.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a hair review by a company called Luvme Hair. So they sent me their headband wig to review. So I'm going to be installing that for you guys and showing you how I'm going to style it. And yeah, so let's get straight into the video. We're going to dive into this quickly. First of all, I love their packaging. It's actually amazing. Like, I just think it's so cute. So it's a purple ribbon and it says Luvme Hair. So that's the lid of the box. Then when you open it, they have like a holographic mini purse, and it has lots of things inside. So it has their silk head wrap, which I'm gonna use today, and they have an elastic band, I think like a spare one maybe for the headband wig. And then they also have some bobby pins, and they have an edge brush, which is really handy. And what else do they have? Oh my gosh, they have this cute clip that says "Love Me" on it. It's really cute. And then they also have tweezers, which I actually needed. I was actually gonna buy some tweezers, so we thank God for that. So that's what you get in the box. So that holographic material. Then of course we got the hair in this amazing nice bag. I love it. And then they give you a wig cap, which I'm going to put on right now. 2 pieces wig cap. The color didn't matter because you're not going to be installing the hair. It's a headband wig. And then they have 5 different pieces of headbands. I'm going to open it up and show you guys. And then last of not least, lastly they have this leaflet. I think it just just shows you how to care for your wig, and frequently asked questions and contact information if you need to contact them. And they have a nice little note from the founder, Helena, just saying enjoy your hair journey. So that's literally what's inside the box. I literally love all the content in the box. So as you can see, I've already done my edges. So all I need to do is put this cap on. So I'm gonna put this cap on my head, and then yeah, show you guys the next step. So the cap is on my head at the moment. Obviously I'm not going to put it full because it's a headband wig. Oh my gosh, it's a headband wig, and it's basically a half wig. So obviously my edges are out, and then yeah. So before I install it, I'm going to show you the headbands that they sent me. Ooh, so we have this wig. We have this nice headband. It's like a yellow floral. I feel like it goes with my outfit, so I might wear this one. Then we got that camouflage army print, which is really nice. Then we have this like bohemian type of vibes. This is really nice as well. And then we have a cheetah print. Oh, this might go with my outfit, I don't know. Then we also have this pretty like flowery leaves type of vibes one, but I'm going to be trying each and every one, and then you guys can tell me which one is your favorite. And yeah, so the wig that I'm going to be trying today and styling is the Jericho affordable headband wig, and you guys can use my code Jadene20 for 20% off. I think that's my code. Either way, it's going to be on the screen so you guys can check it out. So let's get straight into it. I'm going to open up the hair. So it comes in this hairnet. Ooh. Oh my gosh, the curls are really like cherry curls. So this is the hair. It looks really nice. It's giving me like kinky curly, not kinky curly, but kinky type of vibes. and basically you have a strap, and then you have the actual, like, it already comes with a band, but it's not a proper band, if that makes sense. And then it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 wig combs, so 3 in the front and then 1 at the back here. So let's put it on. I need a mirror. Okay, I'm looking at the mirror, guys, so yeah. So okay, first we're gonna put it on. Okay, so it has 3 wig combs. Wait, let me see where the band is. Alright, cool. So the band is here. I'm gonna make it stop, I think here's okay. Just before my baby hairs. Oh my gosh, the hair is sticking to the velcro. Okay, cool. Do I want it a bit forward? I think I want it a bit forward. Not too forward though. I think here's fine. Wait. Yeah, I think here's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna velcro it, guys. I didn't put the wig combs in fully. Maybe I should. I think I'm gonna do it after. Ouch, ouch. Okay, so wow, that feels really secure. That feels amazing. Wait, hold on. I think there's one hair. Put my hair upside down. Okay guys, that feels really secure. What I'm gonna do, I feel like, hold on, where's the wig comb? Okay, it's here. Okay, that feels better. Wow. I actually like it like this, you know. Okay, no, I'm lying. It's actually not that bad. I think I'm gonna take a before and after picture. So let me do a quick thumbnail. You guys can see. Let me show you the back. Okay guys, so I'm obviously not gonna leave it like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna part each hair, spray it with water and mousse to make the hair basically nice, a bit more looser, because obviously it's at the moment it's tight jerry curls. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Wait, before that, should I put the headband now or after? After makes sense. So to style this hair and to make the curls more loose, I'm going to be using a spray bottle. Then I'm going to be using a mousse. This is the Got To Be Twisted curling mousse. I'm not gonna lie, I just picked any mousse. And then I'm going to be using this paddle brush. So I got my hairband. What I'm going to do is start with this section and oh, bye, it was spilling. Put it in a hairband. And what I'm going to do is spray it. Then, oh my gosh, I'm wet. I'm going to put some mousse and add it. And then comb out. Wow, look at that, guys. I love it. Okay, now I'm gonna continue parting it. I think I'm gonna put the mousse after. I think it just makes sense to put the mousse at the end. But yeah, right now I'm just using water to detangle it a bit, just so that I'm able to brush out the curls and then create the curls again with the mousse, if that makes sense. Guys, look at this. Look at that. Are you dumb? This looks so natural. I'm actually loving it. I feel like I'm going to be wearing this every day. Like, I'm not going anywhere, but just to look cute. And then, like, oh my gosh, I love how it's not sewed in or glued in. Oh, you dumb. This is amazing. So this is one half of the head that has been paddle brushed, water and mousse on it. And then this is the original state that the hair came in. But can you see the difference? Like, this side looks more natural and yeah, compared to this side. So that is half of the hair. So I'm going to do the other side of the hair off camera just because it's easier, and I've showed you guys how I'm doing it. It's literally water, brush and a mousse. And then I'm going to come back and show you the final look and different ways to style it. So just wait. Hi guys, so this is actually it all combed out and water and mousse in it. And this was the excess that came off when I was combing the hair, brushing the hair. Sorry guys. Keeps falling. Not sure you can see, but it's not a lot, but I absolutely love it. I feel like it looks so natural, and I love how it's just nice and, like, I don't know, it's just amazing. Like, the quality is soft and literally the hair is amazing. And yeah, let me show you the back. This is the back. So obviously the first style you can have with this hair is just leaving it out like this. Look how amazing the quality is and everything. The second style you can have is like half up, half down. So I think, yeah, you can have half up, half down. Just trying to see how it would look. So I have a hairband here. Oh my gosh, what am I? You can have it like this. So this is another hairstyle, half up, half down. This is really cute. And then you can do side parting, and if you want the hair to come at the side like this, then another style you can have is literally putting your hair all back into a ponytail. Oops. At the back, just a nice ponytail if you're like, you're not trying to have hair in your face. Then you can put it into a messy bun. Flip the hair forward. So this is actually messy and you can leave it out and literally style it like this. This is so cute. This is like if you're going out to the shops, just like quick, you can style this really nice. Then you can put this into a bun and have something like this. You can have it like this, like a messy bun. And now I'm going to be trying the 5 different headbands that they sent me. When I pick my favorite one, then when I pick my favorite one, I'm going to be showing you different styles that you can do with this headband wig. And yeah, so first we're going to try this camouflage army print headband. I think this is how you wear it. Alright, cool. I'm gonna put that over my hair. Put my hair up, and then obviously I think this thing is supposed to be in the front. That black thing is showing, so I'm just gonna push it back so that it looks like that's in the front. Pull it behind my ear. Ooh, okay. So this is the camouflage. Do you know what? Yeah, it's nice. Like any headband is gonna look nice with this. So yeah, obviously the headband depends on the outfit you're wearing. I'm wearing this outfit. I feel like it's not that bad, but it doesn't really go with it. But yes, you try is this yellow one. Ooh. This is giving me summer vibes, summertime vibes, like with a nice dress. baby hair. Ooh, this is cute. This is really cute. This is the Summertime Vibes one. I think is really cute. You guys can be the judge. You guys can tell me which one you think is your favorite one. And this is nice. The next one that I have, the bohemian type of vibes. And wait, how do you wear this one? Okay, so it's the same as the camouflage one. Put my hair under, get my hair out, and where's the front? I think I've lost. It's nice. I feel like it does go with this outfit a bit. I think it's just because of the blues, but it's really cute. Can style it anyhow. And I like how these headbands are free, like they're both kind of different styles, so it gives you an option of what to rock on what day and depending on your outfit, like I said. But it's really nice. So this is cute. Cheetah, we going for cheetah girls. Cheetah vibes. So we're gonna put this on this way. And I love the quality of these headbands. They're really good quality. I think I might be rocking the cheetah one today. I don't know. I think I'm really be rocking the cheetah one today. I should have put this on last, but I'm absolutely loving the cheetah print. We have this one. This one looks nice with my outfit too. Guys, I'm so indecisive. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna. I might have to play it back to see what headband I like the most. I find these headbands right, guys, but yes, this is the last headband that they gave. I think this goes nicest with my brown outfit, but it might be the cheetah. I don't know, I feel like the cheetah is giving too much vibes for me, but I don't know. Yeah, this is really nice. This is the last headband. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what other videos you're trying to see. Don't forget to shop at Luvme Hair and use my code Jadene20 for 20% off hair, period. And yeah, let me know what other videos you're trying to see. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.